A very good evening, friends, and in this video I am just trying to demonstrate the power of the PyQt5. In this condition, suppose you have a layout which you want to split into many sections, because suppose if you have one window and then you want to split it into many sections. In one section you want to place something else, in another section you want to place something else, then how will you achieve this task? So now for that I created, now see, just everything is fine. So first I have created an object of hbox, then I created one frame and I have named it as top left. So top left, and that is the object of type q frame, and this top left dot set frame shape, the shape of this frame will be like a panel. So dot styled panel, so it means you will not find any boundary or something like this. So it will have very thin boundary, you cannot say, it's just like a panel. So now you can say that I'm dividing my whole main window into 2-3 panels. So this is top left, and then create q frame. This should be top right. So one top left, one top right, 2 frames I have created, and then top right dot set frame shape size. What will be the size of that particular top right frame? So I pass the q frame dot style panel, that is also means both the panels top left and top right will have styled panel shape. Now I create one more frame which is for the bottom, and this is bottom equal to q frame, and now bottom dot set frame shape will also be similar, q frame dot set style panel. So set frame shape is q frame dot style panel. So the 3 panels you can say we have created, actually they are frame but they will behave like a panels. This is the top left, top right, and one is bottom. Now I create one splitter object, this is called the split one. So the split one, and in this object this is split one equal to q splitter and then qt dot horizontal. So this splitter will break the pane into the 2 horizontal, means the horizontal layout, you can say. You can also use qt dot vertical, but right now we are just focusing on the horizontal because I have one idea. I want the 2 panels on the top and then one at the bottom. Then the split r1 dot add visit, and then I added the top left panel. Then split r1 dot add another visit, and there I have added the top right. So these 2 panels, top left and top right, I have already added to my splitter object, and then I create another splitter object. So the first splitter object works in the horizontal frame of structure, and the second one is going to work in a vertical frame. So the splitter 2 equals q splitter dot, and inside the bracket you pass qt dot vertical. So the splitter 2 dot add visit, and then in the form of the visit I will enter the splitter 1. Then splitter 2 dot add visit, I'll pass my bottom, means the 3rd panel. And then hbox dot add visit, and I'll pass splitter 2. So the splitter 1 is added into splitter 2, splitter 2 is added into hbox. and then self dot geometry, that is already I have written. I think that part I have already written. I may need certain actions, but set layout and then I'll pass h box. Okay, so this you have done h box and v box and other layout also in my previous video. You can watch and see. Now this is how it's working. Let me just twist it so that you can see how this whole thing is there. Now see, the whole frame is divided into left, right, and one is bottom. Thank you very much. Just subscribe to our channel.